Today I'm going to talk about how to become a graphic designer without a graphic design degree. And is it possible? Absolutely. The number one thing that potential employers care about when it comes to graphic designers is, does the person applying for this job have a strong portfolio that aligns with the kind of work that they do at the company that's hiring? A degree of some kind is often important, but not required. But a graphic design degree specifically, absolutely not required to become a graphic designer. So let's talk about how you build a portfolio. If you are starting from scratch, you want to become a designer, where do you start? I would say the number one place to start is you have to actually learn about graphic design, learn design principles. You need to learn to use professional graphic design software such as Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, and Photoshop. Employers do not want to hire graphic designers that only work in Canva. Anybody can work in Canva, and that's what separates designers from non-designers. Step two is to start to build up your portfolio. And how do you do that if you are new to graphic design? The only way to build a portfolio is to start doing design work of any kind. One place that I would recommend is freelance work. There are lots of small businesses and nonprofits out there that always need help with design. That might mean marketing, that might mean social media, logo design. There is tons of design work out there. And these types of clients, initially you may start working for free or a very low hourly rate just to start getting your feet wet and doing more design. And over time with these clients, you can start to increase your hourly rate. But this will give you lots of design work to put in your portfolio quickly if you find some local businesses and nonprofits that need graphic design help. Another way to build up your portfolio is to do personal projects. Maybe you start a brand for yourself, a logo design for your own brand, and really spend a lot of time and effort making this brand amazing and great. You can come up with marketing materials, a website, business card designs, all kinds of things for your own brand. You can also find something you're passionate about and make design work around that. Maybe there's an organization that you would love to rebrand. Why don't you just do it on your own and put it in your portfolio? Another great place to get more experience and to build up your portfolio, especially if you are in college, is to get an internship at a graphic design agency or in a marketing department doing graphic design. Getting an internship is one of the best things you can do. It gets you in the door. You get to work with other graphic designers and get feedback on your work. And often you'll be creating work on a daily basis. So getting and building up a portfolio can happen pretty quickly in an environment like an internship. Some other tips to get started in graphic design if you don't have a degree. I highly recommend creating a portfolio website. Behance.net is a great place to build a portfolio website for absolutely free. And this is also a great place to get inspiration from other graphic designers and to see how designers are displaying their work on their Behance pages. Another tip is to go shadow graphic designers. See what different types of designers do in different types of jobs. There are lots of different paths that you can go with design. You can go into web, UX, product design. You can become just a graphic designer that does branding, signage, all kinds of print materials, that kind of thing. So find different types of designers and go job shadow those designers to see what you might want to focus on. And that might give you ideas on how you want to focus the work in your portfolio as well. And lastly, to become a graphic designer, especially without a degree, you need to be completely absorbed and looking at great design work all the time. You need to be immersed in websites like Behance, Pinterest, look at design books, look at what other graphic designers are doing in the industry to really understand what good design is. So do not let the fact that you don't have a degree stop you from doing graphic design. You can do it. It may take a lot of time to get better and to build that portfolio, but it's absolutely doable without a graphic design degree. Good luck and subscribe to Cry Studio to learn more about graphic design. Thanks so much.